I've taken up running as a way to lose weight because everybody is saying running is the best thing to do. So today I'm gonna do something wild. I'm gonna do something so crazy because right now I'm headed to the starting point of a Amazon Parkrun, guys. That is a 5-kilometer run. Not just run, you can you can jog, you can walk, but it's a whole 5-kilometer run. I've registered. I'm gonna push myself to the limit, and I'm gonna see how long it will take me to run a 5-kilometer race. Guys, wish me all the best. This is a whole bunch of people coming to exercise at 8 o'clock in the morning, from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, depending on how long you run. But it is what it is. Those are the people I'm gonna be racing with, guys. They said it's not a competition, and we are just here to have fun. But when you look at the lineup, it feels like it's a competition because there are old people, people in their 70s, people in their 80s, and then there are young people from age, I think, 10, 13, 14. And then there are people, youthful people like me, early 20s, late 20s, yeah, people in their 30s. Like, guys, in here, there are some athletes. Yo, I don't know. Wish me all the best. Just take a look. I don't care. This is a whole last competition, and I don't know if I'm gonna win, but definitely I'm not making top 10. Look who I'm competing with. Yo, people are putting on their gears. People are putting on. Yo, guys, we're just gonna go have some fun. Yeah. Woo. Okay, guys, this is what I think it's 2.5 kilometers out, and to be honest with you, I'm walking right now, and the reason why I'm walking is we're on the beach. Who runs on the beach, for crying out loud? Who? Not me. So I'm gonna walk, and when I get to a solid ground, maybe I'll start running a little bit. But right now, guys, my legs are numb. I'm super thirsty, but I didn't come with any water, so that is mistake number one. I didn't come with any water, and I'm thirsty. This is my second time, so I haven't really made any friends yet, but maybe next time I'm gonna come with my water, or I'm gonna make some friends, because this only happens every once in a week on Saturdays. I'm contemplating leaving halfway and going back home, but what's the aim of doing it if I can't complete it? So this is me documenting my halfway through Amazon Parkrun. Guys, let's go finish this. Okay, guys, so far I've run 4 kilometers, and this is the last lap. This is the finish line. We're getting to the finish line, and I think it's been about 35 minutes or 40 minutes now. A lot of people finished ages ago, but I'm not like them. And one thing I love about this is the level of community of people that come together, and the way they show support for each other. I was running because, guys, as you can see, I'm overweight, so I was running, and whenever I see another person who looks in somewhat kind of me, there's this note of, I see you, keep on doing what you are doing good, and it makes you feel good. It makes you feel good. There's this sense of, okay, I belong. They see me, and it motivates you to keep on going, because to be honest with you, it is taking the special grace of God and my stubbornness of not trying to quit to make me complete this race. It's 5 kilometers for crying out loud. Okay. Less than 20 minutes now. I'm gonna get to the finish line. So I can smell it, but it's still far away. Oh.
No, perfect. I'm going to sprint the rest. Oh, go on.
Pace 11 minutes 3 seconds. Total 5 kilometers. 54 minutes 54 seconds. Heart rate 160 beats per minute.
Guys, there you have it. 5 kilometer run complete. We are close to the finish line, baby. We are close to the finish line, and I am very, 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 very thirsty. Right now, I'm going to go scan my card, and they will register my time. So once I swipe, they scan my card, and they complete my 5 kilometer race in Amazon Parkrun. So here. I made it. Thank you. Okay, thank you, ma'am. So this is my card. They're gonna scan it for me, and that will automatically register my time. Okay. Yeah.
Do you have a barcode?
Yeah, I do. Okay. Oh, sorry. Here you have it, guys. 5 kilometer run done and dusted. I'm just sitting down here and reflecting on all the bad choices that I've made in life, and trying to find out who sent me to run this 5 kilometer race. Guys, in as much as I completed it, like, there's this joy that I'm feeling right now, starting something and completing it. I'm the kind of person that when I start something, I always find it hard to complete, but when I'm stubborn, I complete it easily. But for the past few weeks now, I've been postponing joining this race. After the first time I did it, I completed it. The first time I ran 5 kilometer Parkrun, I completed it in 1 hour, I think 13 seconds or 30 seconds, I've forgotten. But this time around, I'm optimistic. It's between 55 to 57. I'm not sure right now. My watch timed me 57, but they still have their own timer, so they're gonna send me an email later today or tomorrow to tell me the timer that I ran. But all in all, I am happy, and there's this sense of belonging when you do something in a community, with a community of people. There's this sense of belonging, because whenever I'm running, I know that I'm fat, and whenever I'm running, when I see another fat person running towards me, it's like they bring out their hand and then you just clap it, or sometimes they just give you a nod of, I see you, keep doing what you are doing. And the volunteers here, they are super helpful. They keep on motivating you, they are sharing you on, clapping for you. Even onlookers, they are clapping for you, and it's an amazing feeling. There's this joy of fulfilling something that I'm feeling right now, and yeah, money can't buy it. Money cannot buy it. I am happy, guys. I saw things today. I saw a man with one leg was cut off, like the man was running. I saw nursing mothers carrying their baby, like they were carrying their baby and they were running. I saw others pushing their baby in a cart and they are still running with their baby. So I'm looking at this and I'm thinking to myself, if these people can do this irrespective of how they feel, why won't I? And then I saw people like closer to their grave. Hey, sorry for saying that, but I saw people in their early 80s, 70s, 60s. Guys, I'm looking at these people and they're running like. Because sometimes I walk. I have to be honest. I walk, and then when you see them, they just whoom, they run past you. The only thing you're gonna see is the air that goes through your ear. Whoom. And if you see that, automatic motivation, because you can't be a young guy and you see somebody in their 80s challenging you to a race and they are beating you. Yo, I just want to sit here, rest small, and then go back home. Because guys, if I go home right now, I might fall on the road. So